Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 10, Chapter number 4, Geometric Constructions. Earlier we studied construction of similar triangles. Now today we are going to study construction of tangents to the circle using center of the circle and without using center of the circle. So we will move on to practice set 4.2. Question number 1. Construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2 cm at any point M on it. First, we will construct a circle with center P and radius 3.2 cm. Any point M on the circle and join the radius from P to M. Also extend the radius from point M to the outside of the circle. From point M, make the arcs on both the sides on PM. Take more than half distance between two arcs and one end of compass on point P and make the arcs on top and bottom of the segment. Now with the same distance, make the arc intersecting to the previous arcs and join the intersection of both the arcs, which is tangent of the circle. Now in question number 2, we can draw tangent to the circle similar like example number 1. Now we will move on to question number 4. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 cm. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 cm. Draw tangents to the circle at points P and Q. Write your observation about the tangents. First, we will construct circle with the radius 3.3 cm. We will draw chord PQ 6.6 cm, which will be the diameter of this circle. Extend the chord PQ on both the sides from point P and Q, exterior part of the circle. With the help of the compass, make the arc on both the sides of Q and P on the extended chord of PQ. Now arcs near point Q, take the more than half distance between them in compass and make the arcs above and below the segment PQ. Similarly, from point P, make the arcs above and below of the chord PQ. Find the intersections of arcs near point P and point Q. We will get tangents near P and Q. Now we will move on to question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 cm. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. Next, we will draw a circle with radius 3.6 cm. Take any point K on the circle. To draw the tangent from point K without using the center of the circle, we will take point A and B on the circle. Now we will join all the 3 points A, B and K. Construct tangents at point M and N to the circle. First, we will draw a circle with radius 3.4 cm. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 cm. Draw a chord MN of length 5.7 cm in it. Now, with the help of the compass, draw chord MN of 5.7 cm on the circle. Draw tangents at point M and N without using center of the circle. We will take any point A on circle. Now join points AM and AN. By using tangent secant angle theorem, we will draw congruent angle of A and we will make the arcs from angle A to the exterior part of circle from point M and point N. Now we will measure the distance between both the ends of the arc on the sides. And we will draw congruent angle near point M and point N. Now draw tangents from point M and point N to the circle without using center of the circle.